I did a video here, I believe, yesterday, and I've said something that was in error. I've got the Nokta Makro legend out here, and I've got this Equinox made by Minelab 800 model. All this video here is going to talk about is arm cuff adjustment. You're looking at the legend, okay? I took these 3 screws out here at the bottom of the cuff, and I'm going to pull this off so you can see it. All right? So, the way they've got this set up, I believe you would always want to run this with 2 screws in it, okay? So you could push it forward, okay? And put 2 screws in it, and this first one up here wouldn't have a screw in it. That would shorten your arm cuff, okay? And then pulling it, that's how it come, which this back here is flush. Let me see that in that camera. Then you can advance it backwards, okay? And put 2 screws in it in the back here. And then this, of course, it's not flush back here anymore. So you don't have a whole lot of adjustment there. Now, if you just want to try it with 1 screw, that might be, you know, like that. You'd have 1 screw right here. See, it's arm cuff with a screw in it. It may have some wobble to it, okay? So I got my little testy tape measure here. So it's right at about a 1-inch adjustment. If you run it, you can move it forward 1 inch or backwards roughly 1 inch if you run it with 2 screws in the cuff. If you run it with just 1 screw in it, then it would be 2-inch adjustment, forward and aft. Okay, from the 3 screw setting here, okay, having all 3 screws in, okay? So let me set this down up here on this Yoda. Get this Equinox down here, because I said something about it that was incorrect too. I try to tell the truth about all detectors. People can make mistakes, and I'm gonna put a comment in that video over there. Somebody done pointed this out to me. Okay, I've took this knob off of this detector here. The cuff is on the bottom of the arm cuff with a little stand is like so, okay? So when I turn it over, you see you actually have 4 hole adjustments, okay? So you can put it all the way up there to all the way in the back. And the old trusty tape measure here shows 2.5 inches of adjustment. Okay, that would be from the forward to the extreme rear. So full 2.5 inches of adjustment for the cuff. And I believe I had this one right there. I had it in that hole. Now, you don't need a screwdriver to adjust this Equinox. It's got this knurled knob. You got to have a Phillips screwdriver to adjust the legend. Okay? So we got that all done. I feel better now. I hope y'all enjoyed the video.